Hi there, Redmi is upgrading and I'm truly excited for this one. So here is the upcoming Redmi Turbo 5. Again, not a dummy unit but the real deal. Check this out, the Pixel Matrix ring lights. Ain't that cool? But due to embargo restrictions, we can't share a lot but still enough to give you a sneak peek what's in store. So let's start with the build and design. So here is the Redmi Turbo 5 and we have it in this gorgeous turbo white color. The back is glass with matte finish, soft to touch and doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. It has this line design on the side which gives it a nice touch. But my favorite part is attention to detail. The Redmi branding is very subtle, red that matches with the inner bezels of the camera rings. I mean, it's just incredible. Hang on, there's more. There's even a hint of red on the power button. What a stellar job by the design department. It comes with an aluminium frame and you can spot the antenna bars on the sides. Then here is the rear camera, samples coming up in just a second. On the top, Redmi's favorite hardware, the IR blaster. On the side are the volume rockers with the power standby button. At the bottom is a down-firing speaker, USB-C port, microphone and a SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards. There's no support for SD card, so pick the higher storage variant if possible. Another cool feature is the multicolor Pixel Matrix LED lights around the camera lenses. They can be used for notifications, while you receive a phone call, while gaming and even while music is playing. I think it's really fun. Trust me, there is so much more to explore here, but we can't show you more right now. Alright, let's check out the camera samples. So here are some shots taken from the rear camera and I think it's quite bright and detailed. The colors are not oversaturated but more like natural. Dynamic range is also impressive. You can see the details in the shadows. Then here are some portrait shots. It creates nice background bokeh that looks natural. Good edge detection as well. Then here's a 4K 60 FPS video shot handheld. Overall, I'd say the video quality is quite good and stable. Though if you select 30 FPS, the video shows more promising results. Then we also have this dual video recording support which is full HD 30 FPS, but it's actually really cool, especially for vloggers, so you can record with both cameras, show your place as well as show your face. I think that's really cool feature to have. Overall video quality is also quite stable and very clear. Then here are some shots taken with the front camera. Captures natural skin tones, very clear. In fact, at 0.8x, it gets wide enough for group selfies. Then here are some portraits. Again, good edge detection and creates natural bokeh. Hi there, so here's a video recorded from the front camera of the Redmi Turbo 5 and this is a full HD 60 FPS video. There's no 4K video recording here, but I'd still say that the video quality is actually really nice. Also, this is handheld, it's really stable, it's very clear. The audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the phone. Alright, let's talk about some specs. Now, I was browsing on the Turbo 5's official website and it clearly mentions there that it's running the latest MediaTek 8500 Ultra chipset. Up to 24 GB RAM, and yes, that includes 12 GB of virtual RAM, but the best part is the RAM type is LPDDR5X Ultra. Plus, storage type is UFS 4.1. That's like a perfect recipe for gaming enthusiasts. However, let me tell you, this phone is not just for gamers, it's a complete package. Now, as of now, that's all we can share. More in our full review, which is coming soon. So make sure you subscribe. Meanwhile, we'll be testing the camera more. We'll be seeing the user experience, gaming, the battery, and so much more. The Redmi Turbo 5 is launching on 16th of June, so stay tuned. We'll share the price and the purchase links after the launch in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. Now, buying from our link wouldn't cost you extra, but it will surely help us support this channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Until next time, cheers.